to show you how to do a toaster oven on recycling, so you can get the most out of the recycle. Okay. All right. All right. You can see in here in the toaster oven, most of this is all steel in here. And plate steel. Have a magnet here. Tell. If it sticks, it's metal or steel. Even the sides. I opened this up thinking that there might be a transformer in there, and I do not see one. All I see is a thermostat, looks like a little bell, and probably a like a starter switch or what have you. So the only thing that's going to be good out of this for me, because I'm not going to worry about any of the other stuff, I've broken some of these down and there just wasn't enough in there worth my time to get out, is the power cord. I'm just going to snip the power cord, pull it out, and it's going to be done. So as you can see, about the only thing you're going to get out of it is some wire, copper wire, and the rest will be steel. So thanks for watching, and please put your comments in, and let me know how I'm doing. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.